Oh my God, what the fuck? I just got hit. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding?
No.
Isn't that Jack?
Yep.
Oh, I was just thinking that car's going kind of fast. Oh, you busted. You are busted. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, we're in Wisconsin here. Pulling up on the next to this truck. And we check him out. He's got 1, 2, 3 blinkers. Starts coming over right when I was right there. And I was like, it's a good thing I saw that. Otherwise, he would have smacked me pretty good. Some of the idiot drivers we have to deal with out here. So I decided to pass him on the left. Heck with it. I don't care. And this next video coming up right here. It's passed me on the shoulder. Now there is a tanker truck in the middle lane. I'm in the right lane. There's a tanker truck in the middle lane back there behind me, but you know, he stayed there. I got moved over. I'm like, what the heck are you doing, driver? I mean, they call that a headache lane. They don't call it a headache lane for a reason. But check this out. He gets up there in front of me, and he stays there. There's nobody in front of me. Nobody in front of us, but he stays in that headache lane, driving the shoulder. Decided he wanted to pass everybody. So he comes up the shoulder. He comes right up next to me. Well, check this out. He gets up here and he stops right there. Why did he stop and not keep going? Because if you remember that car that was sitting on the shoulder, he's blocking the shoulder. Truck can't go any further. So he decides to pull over right in front of me. And I'm like, well, during this time, he manages to finagle his way over more. See, now check this out. You'll hear it blow his inching back, or they slide back because of the ice. They're gonna hit your truck. Well, that's exactly what happened. So he jumps out of his truck in his Bermuda shorts and his flip-flops. He goes inside to check out the damage. I feel no sympathy for whatsoever, driver, for you driving up the shoulder, coming up like you did, you get right on that guy's butt. Well, yeah, he bumped into you on and he took off. That serves you right, if you ask me. And then we finally get going. Like I said, it took me 8 hours to go 13 miles on this stretch of road. Well, this next video, I caught this guy had his